Welcome to our channel. Today we how to apply for investment account with US Bank, portfolio setup step by step clearly. To apply for an investment account with US Bank, begin by visiting the official US Bank website. Locate the investment section on the homepage. Click on the link for investment accounts. Review the available account options to determine which one fits your needs. Select the account type you wish to open. Click on the Apply Now button associated with your chosen account. You will be prompted to create a user profile. Enter your personal information such as your name, address, and social security number. Provide your contact information, including your phone number and email address. Indicate your employment information, including your employer's name and your job title. Complete any necessary financial information, such as your annual income and net worth. Agree to the terms and conditions by reading the document carefully. If applicable, consent to electronic communications for managing your account. Submit your application to initiate the process. Once submitted, you will receive a confirmation email. Follow the instructions in the email to verify your identity. Log back into your account to complete any additional steps needed. Once your account is approved, you can begin the portfolio setup process. Navigate back to the investment section of the website. Choose the option to set up your investment portfolio. Select your investment preferences, including risk tolerance and investment goals. Review asset allocation strategies provided by US Bank. Make your selections for the types of investments you would like to include. Finalize your portfolio setup by confirming your choices. You will receive a summary of your selected portfolio. Upon confirmation, your account will be ready for funding. Follow the instructions provided to fund your new investment account. With your account funded, you can start managing your investments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.